Hey, and welcome to Alt1. I just had my Saturday live stream where I share with members my trades at two brokers. One of them is the one you see here right now. Here we are trading on specific lines. We do actually need to do some small martingale, as you can see here, but we did turn some profits. We turned $160 on this session. Now let's see if we can find something else we can trade. And before we do that, I do have a very specific good deals for people that sign up right now. And that means right now, this deal will go away, okay? I give 60% of my affiliate income directly in the link below, or the link you see up here right now. So you sign up with this broker, okay? So 60%, that means every time you're trading, you get 60% of what I would have made for every single trade you do. I don't make from your losses, I don't make from that, but I make for every single trade you do. So then you get 60% cash back every time you trade. So why don't take advantage of that? I don't think you'll find anyone that can give you a link like that. So also you get 50% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. So if you have account with Pocket Option from before, withdraw your money and make a new account with me, because you need to close your old before you can open a new, okay? Then open with the link you see now below it, because the link up there is gone. So use the link you find below and join this broker with my link and take advantage of this, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video and turn on this bell notification so you don't lose one video from me, okay? Also, I do have a place where I share my trades, like I told about in the start. I do have some members, and you find link below the video for that. You can also follow me completely for free. I share all my trades, I make screenshots, I explain my trades and everything. That's in WhatsApp and Telegram. Recently I started to post a little in Twitter, but if you want to regularly check out WhatsApp, that's the best one, okay? Now let's see if we can find some trades for this session. So now let's see if we can find something to trade. I do use a line of defense when it comes to this broker. Typically I do like 3 line of defense. So let's see. I will find one trade and we can see if we can do something. Here I would love to take a trade up, let me see, around here. A second trade, if we lose, we take it up there. I think that's a nice one. Otherwise, bottom, we can take a trade around here. And we can take a line of defense trade down around here. Now let's see how this turns out. Let's turn this to 100. We are closing of 30 seconds. So there we have our plan. We basically take on specific areas where we see he has stopped before, and that is our line defense. We can say in the top, if you're really going to where the line came, I believe it's this one. Let's take it. We have one up here also. Then we really have it in order. So it's 3 line of defense you're basically working with. So if we lose, we will trade on all the lines you see here now. We will not be trading anything in between in this region. So how it works, if I lose on this line, then I do a 200 here and 400 here. But if I lose on this one and I go down again, but the trade is lost, I will trade again on the line, or I will trade on this one and this one. So basically that's how we're going to do with this. And you will see the win rate is so good that within 3 trades we will have it. And I keep it to 3 trades because then I keep my losing low because it's very rare we lose 3 in a row. So now let's see. We can see that we could have taken a trade here, but we're not going to. Our first entry will be up there. This is to keep our winning higher. So you can see we could have taken that one here. We see that it's a very high probability of winning. I almost regret I did not do it. But let's just move on and let's take the one we decided for. So if we can come up to this line now, we are in the first line of defense. I almost hope we're losing so we can see how it works. Almost did take a trade there, but almost is not good enough. We are in. First line, 200. Let's see, if we go to the next, we take it. We take up there now because we see this one here act now as support. See, we lost, but you see here also he came up, this acted as support. Will take the trade, and probably he go up from here now. So now let's just wait patiently and collect our money. And there we won the trade. You can now go to close it and you see we won. So just to make sure now, here you see the lines we made. We broke this one, then when you broke above, the next line act as support, right? So support, resistance. So but this one only act as support if you do like here, break above and close. If you just break and you know this is 1 minute chart like, and this 30 seconds go out, he basically go up and close below, then basically no, I mean like he is up here, this one stop, and then before ours is 30, and then he break down below after, then this is still a resistance, right? It's only if you break and he's up here. I understand this was a little difficult because I was explaining incredible bad, so let's do it again. This is a resistance. We have 30-second closing, right? And we want to tell a sell trade here. And with sell, he go above. Then he come to 29, 30, he's up here, 31, we lose the trade, and then he go down before the minute is done and close down here. Then this one is still resistant. But if we choose like here with the 1 minute chart, close up here, then we do buy trades of this, because you can see here, when you come here, this one work as support then we take a buy trade, like you did, like I did. It's Saturday morning, a little tired, was up late yesterday, so sorry for a little misspeaking here now. But now you see that once again here we would have taken a sell trade, and you see that would be a winning trade, and you see that on this bar also. So if you work like that, your win rate will go high up and you can make money with this broker also. So once again, like I said in the start of the video, take advantage. I will not give this forever. Because I do not have enough members at YouTube that is paying me monthly that is worth for me to give away 60% of my affiliate income. This is something I just do now for a little while now. I'll do it till Monday. After that you will not get this link more. But the ones that have already joined, they will have that forever. So make sure you take advantage before I remove this link, okay? So with that, have an amazing day. And yeah, we can calculate how much money we made. It's not so much, we made $44. It's nothing amazingly, because this one paid only 71. I should have looked at that first. Typically I only trade the ones that pay 92. I forgot to think about the numbers here. So always when you're trading, just so you don't get just $45 for this, $44 for this work, make sure you only trade the ones that have 92 or something around there. 72 is a little for this, okay? So with that, have an amazing day and enjoy your Saturday.